everyone, I would like to show you our hotel where we stayed. There is, like you see, elite Fuerteventura apartments. The apartments located not far from town center, Costa de Fuste. You can go this way and reach the town center maybe after 15 minutes. 15 minutes walk. There is, you can see the town center. The weather today is windy, but it's now 10 o'clock on the morning, so after 12 the weather will be better, I hope. So these apartments, they look like this, like small houses. So let's go with me, I show you what we have. We paid like 320 for the 7 days, so you will see what we have for this money, because it's not so much. Some hotels more expensive, but our is no expensive, and just 2 stars, you know. Yesterday was rain. There is a lot of old people staying here. There's a big area and lot of apartments. I don't sure how many, but I saw 100. I think it's more than 100. The plane go to the airport. There is not far airport. It's this side. We're going now to see the swimming pool. There is little bar near swimming pool, so they can take a breakfast, maybe some lunch, beer. Yesterday was a lot of people, now a little bit less, but anyway, these people, some of them swim. One kid is swimming. Wow. Yesterday we also swim here, but the water is cold. You need to be brave to swim here. Now I feel it's not so cold. Maybe I have habit already. So people chilling. Dylan, you okay? Ты там спишь? Brave. Yeah. Looking nice, yeah, outside. I will show our apartment as well. Now we're going to the bar. Yeah, I show you. There is a bar and restaurant not far from our apartments. So everything is close. Even shop here, not far from here. So it's a restaurant. Looking like a close now. Maybe they open a little bit later. I don't sure what time they opening. We not eat it here, but we was in the upstairs. There is bar. So on the evening there is live music. I forgot to show you this the shop. So it's near the bar. So there's live music, sometimes bingo. You can watch football here. Now no people, but in the evening every table is full, no space. So oh, cat. Hello, so big cat. We are so many cats here. Lying on the chair, relaxing. So, ready for Christmas. There is pool. We already tried this. Неплохо поет мужчина. Живая музыка. Мы играем бильярдик. Такая вот обстановочка. Куча народу. Just one euro per play, so it's cheap. And there is terrace. From terrace you can see there is supermarket Hiperdino. It is local supermarket. So I recommend to go Lidl to make purchase here, because we was yesterday in Lidl and we spent like 50 euro, yeah, and we bought much more, I think twice more than we spent on this local 40 euros. So I go through the bar and we have here reception. Oh, there's apartments as well. I think it's also our apartments or not, I don't sure, but reception is here, elite club. So here is reception. When you come first time, you need to go here to take the keys. There is some information for traveling. There is a lot of books to read as well. You can take any. Just bring back. Oh, English, French and Deutsch. Good morning. You see these apparatus, like machines for cigarettes. Interesting. How much the cigarette is? 4.40. Not much, like in the shop. Okay, let's go to our apartments. I will show you how looks our rooms. We have two rooms and living room, kitchen. We can cook here, so we do it because the food is much expensive to buy in the restaurant than you can make it home. So today very windy. There's music as well. Maybe DJ. There's prices. Price is normal. I think the price everywhere like this, yeah? It's not like more expensive than in the city center. You can eat here like a English breakfast for £4, I think, or £5, yeah? Oi, not pound, euro. There's euro. There's our apartments, number 3. So outside is table, you can sit, smoke here, 2 chairs. My son opened for me a door. I forgot to take key with me. Thank you. So there is living room, sofa, there is a table with chairs, 6 chairs. There is our clothes. Sorry, clothes. So here is furniture, but the problem, furniture smell like old furniture, you know, so we not put our clothes inside. There is small TV, and there is as well problem. The remote control not working. Remote, sorry. My English, yeah, pronunciation not so very good.
She's just Russian.
Yes, I'm just Russian. My son correct me some words. So we can switch this TV like here button, but without the remote control. Okay, and there is small kitchen, so everything is here. We have toast, kettle, microwave, oven, fridge, and everything like plates, kettles, everything is here. So you no need to bring nothing, just money and relax. So there is 2 rooms. I show you first bathroom. So bathroom, 1 room here. My daughter still sleeping. 1 room, normal room, but beds is like mattress not so good. I think it's old. Furniture very smelly. We're not putting nothing inside because it's strong smell like a old furniture. I think here need to good ventilation. So I open the window for ventilate this room. I think housekeepers don't have time to do this. So there is 1 more room. There is my partner sleeping. It's same like first one, nothing different. Also 2 wardrobes, big bed, double bed I think. And you know, there's problem as well, like it's very tiny cover, yeah, and no duvet. We found that these blankets, 2 blankets, and these blankets not washed very long time, I think. It very smelly as well. Dylan, do you like here? What you can tell? If you swim yesterday, how's the water? Cold? But you was brave, yeah? And go to cold water. You want to show your crocodile? Nice. We took it from England this crocodile and bring it here. But these crocodiles we saw in the shops, same like ours. This view from our window. So like these apartments you can get for 300 euro. Maybe someone want to better and more comfortable, then you need to pay more. I think maybe like twice more. But on this hotel is some different apartments. I saw near the swimming pool, it's like modern apartments with nice new kitchen. So maybe it depends from how much you paid. So you will get maybe better apartments if you paid more. In this city a lot of apartments, and you can check it on booking.com, comparing the prices. But for us this apartment's good. Some minuses, but we okay. We come here to relax, like walking, swimming and lying on the sun, and we don't need big comfort. Yeah, for us it's normal. Better we spend this money, extra money, for something else, not for the apartments. The 300 euros is normal price, I think, for family 4, like 2 kids and 2 adults. It's really good price. It's about 45 pounds per night. So in England you can't, sometimes you can't to find nothing for this money, because there is 2 rooms as well and kitchen, living room. For this money you can get just 1 room in hotel, maybe in England. Wait, 1 minute. Подпевает.
Go the wrong hill, and it's lit.